My name is Masfir Getacho Keshamo. I graduated with Animal and Range Science from Walaita Sodo University in 2011. And again, I graduated from Awasa University with a specialization of animal production in 2019. Now I am working at Walaita Sodo Agricultural College teaching the animal production students and some of my experience in this college are the first one is teaching the students, second one is working the projects, working any other researches and voluntary works with some of the church works. So I have many experience, that means more than 14 years experience in this college, and I successfully completed the three projects in this college. Again, I published more than three articles with this college and with Awasa University of the research with my thesis and other research works. Now I am inquiring or needing the PhD to specialize or to upgrade my animal production specialization by PhD degree. So if you are voluntary to help me or to provide me any scholarship with animal production, I will send or attach any my documents that regarding about me. Thank you very much for your helping, again for your giving of time.